Hello. How is everybody doing today? It's Dione Irwin here. Oh, let's sit that thing still. It's Dione Irwin with the Dione Irwin Real Estate Team and Remax House of Real Estate. And hope you're all doing great today. Thanks for watching. If you're watching this and you think you have somebody that would love it, make sure you tag your friend, or you can always share this video. It's a great way for everybody to see houses right now without having to come out and look. So here I am, I'm doing this virtual tour today at this beautiful home in Crossfield. It is 1004 Shantz Place. And I am excited to show it to you guys. So first of all, I want to just let you know that we are still selling houses. Real estate is still happening. Life goes on a little bit. You know, people still have to sell. There's people that need to sell. They're in certain situations. They need to sell. You know, and it's surprising to know that there are quite a few sales happening in the Calgary Real Estate Board right now. So if you're out there thinking, oh man, who's buying houses right now? There are people buying houses and selling houses. So I feel like it's a great time to be searching for a house. If you're thinking you want a new house, this is a great time to search. So to chat with a realtor and you know, set up that search, find yourself the perfect home. So hey everybody, thanks for watching. You can always give me some hearts if you're feeling the love, you know, I love that. Who doesn't like the heart shower on the Facebook Lives? You can always do that. So here I am again, I'll tell you again, I'll try to stop saying I am at Crossfield. Oh, there's a heart, love it. So if you have any questions about this house, or if you want to know more about it, make sure you just type it in right there. I'll try to answer your questions. If you have any other questions about real estate, you can type them in there too. Or, you know, pretty open to just chatting with you guys. I just like hanging out with you all. Thank you for the hearts. Feeling the love, guys. I'm feeling it. So anyways, I will tell you, this home is a really great home. And if you watch till the end, I will tell you the price of this house and you won't even believe it because it's priced really well. So, oh, something's going on there. Just a sec. Okay. Thanks for joining, all you peeps. I'm excited to see you all. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying safe. Isn't it really nice? We have some great weather here in Airdrie, Calgary, and area. I'm in Crossfield today. And this house is a 3-bedroom house. It's got an ensuite with double sinks. It has got upper laundry. It has a big attached garage. And it's on like a quiet kind of a, you know, cul-de-sac here in Crossfield. So thanks for joining, everybody. It's great to see you. Give me a wave. Say hi. Say, hey, Dione, how are you? Okay, so I'm gonna start the tour. So here we are. I'm gonna start, we're coming in the front door. Let me flip this around. I will show you how it looks. I'll stop showing you my face and I will flip it. Flip around. Okay, so anybody watching, you know what? You can start a watch party. You can share this video, you can tag all your friends because they all need to see this house. It's in Crossfield, so like a 10-minute drive from Airdrie. We love Crossfield. Okay, so this house has got a lot of windows. It's gorgeous. It's got a gas fireplace, nice big living room here. Check that out. And they have just put in brand new high-end laminate flooring, so it's very durable. It doesn't scratch. It's a really nice kind of grayish brownish color, So it's gonna go with any furniture, any kind of paint you like. But the whole, you know, this house is very neutral. So very nice. How are you all doing today? You're gonna tell me? I'm gonna ask one of you. Here's the garage. Audrey, how are you? My friend Audrey, you're such a good fan. Okay, look at, this is the garage. It's the attached garage here. So it's a really good sized garage. And you come in here and we have a nice closet right here. See this? Okay, closet. And I'm just trying not to touch anything really, being very careful. So then you come in and you've got this nice open concept. Okay, nice big fridge. We've got crown molding. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to give you a good tour here. Crown molding on the cabinets. We have pot lights, knockdown ceiling, and they're 9-foot ceilings. I'm good, Audrey. Thank you. Staying positive, you know. The days aren't always perfect, but that's okay. Who has perfect days every day? I'm just thankful that I can work and have people in my life that I am able to help. So, okay, huge island. I'm just gonna sort of let you guys take a peek. There's drawers, 2 sets of pot and pan drawers here. Really big eating area. Check this out. And the backyard is really a great feature of this too. But I really love this part here, this window above. So you can still put furniture here if you want behind your table, but you still have that nice light. And look, there's blinds included. And then, okay, so there's these cute little rooms kind of here. This one, they use it as their home office, but it can also be a playroom, like a toy room. It's a place where you like put the toys when people come over, that kind of thing. I think they used to use it for that when their kids were smaller. And then it's got a bathroom right here. And we've got this door, it goes to the basement. The basement isn't finished yet, but it's a nice big basement. Okay, so I'm gonna open this back door and I'll show you the backyard. So, it's a beautiful day out. So this backs onto green space too. Oh man, I could just sit out here. This is a great space, it's a big deck. So, it's composite decking. And also, look at the space on this deck, like it's huge. And the yard is big too. So they've got a sandbox and some gardens over there. And kids are playing in the background. Sun's out. The world comes to life here in Crossfield. Okay, and then another great feature about this is that it has a dog run. So right over here, I don't know if you can see this, but it goes right down, there's a little ramp there, and it's got a dog run. So keep all that dog stuff contained. Hey everybody, thank you for joining. We're in Crossfield, I'm in Crossfield today, doing a little home tour here. How's everybody? Give me a little wave. Okay, so we come back in from outside. I didn't show you the pantry. The pantry is here. And there you go. It's actually a really good sized pantry too. So there's a lot of cupboard space and a lot of storage space in this house. And now we shall go upstairs. The upstairs is it's a good layout too. So here's the stairs. Oh, just a sec. Oh, see, now that is annoying. We're gonna have to finish it this way. I don't know why this thing does that. Just a sec, guys. Okay. So here is the master. This is the master bedroom. Lots of light in here. Really cute. And love that cowhide chair. And it's got a walk-in closet. My gimbal decided to go silly, so I had to turn it off. But I'm gonna keep this. It's not as smooth, sorry. Okay, here's the ensuite. It's got double sinks, a lot of storage, and then also a really nice oversized shower. So there you go. Lots of light in here. Nice, good sized bathroom. Okay, that's a big bed too. So I think it's I don't know, is that a king? Anyways, it's big and there's room on the sides too for night tables, and they also have a dresser. Sorry. I'm sorry, Audrey. I'm sorry, everybody, for putting you through that. That was not nice. Okay, laundry is in this closet right here. So it's got a double door and there's some storage in there as well. So it's got a bit of room for putting all your soaps and stuff. Okay, and then here's the, I'm still laughing about the dizzy. Here's the main bathroom right here. So there's the 4-piece bath. There's a tub shower in behind that curtain. Okay, and then we have 2 bedrooms. So we have got the John Deere bedroom, and that's a double bed. So it's a big bed. And they also have, you know, room to play and put their furniture, and good sized closets here, double doors. And then we have this princess room. So there you go. Another double bed, you know, a pretty big headboard. And I know she loves her Lego. And since they're all home now, she's just going to town on Lego. I love that. That is so good. Hopefully, her mom tells her that I'm very impressed with the Lego. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this around. Okay, now I told you that I was going to tell you, sorry, oh, it's wobbly now. I was gonna tell you the price of this house. So this house is priced, it's a 3-bedroom. It's got a master bedroom with ensuite and a good sized walk-in closet. Lots of upgrades, lots of great features, double attached garage, and it's $329,900 for this house. So what do you think about that? That's an amazing price. It's a new price. It's one of the best priced homes in this square footage in Crossfield. So it's a short drive to Airdrie and Calgary, and we are excited for you to come look at it. So if you want to see it, make sure you call your realtor or call us if you don't have a realtor. Share this video, tag your friends, and we would love to hear from you. So I hope you're all fine and doing well today. And thanks for watching this lovely little virtual tour at 1004 Shantz Place in Crossfield. Bye. Have a good one.